All right, so here we are with the portable heated eyelash curler. Special thanks to the company here who sent this out to me. That's the company name, I just don't want to butcher it on you. Nothing on the top or bottom. Sides, electric heated curling, thermosensitive silicone, wide angle curling, and lightweight and portable. That's definitely true. And then electric eyelash curler on this side. The back just has their address and contact information. So let's get into this box and see what this eyelash curler looks like. Electric eyelash curler looks like. All right, so it looks like it'll slide out of this. Oh, look at that. You don't got to get any AA batteries. They include them with it. So a little user's guide here, and okay, yeah, it's in a couple of languages, so that's good and helpful. And then here is the actual eyelash curler. So where is that? Yep, that's where your batteries go. Get these on out. Very nice. They are at least Panasonic's. And then that's it for the box. All right, so let's throw these in here. And it, of course, tells you which way they go, so that's always helpful. All right, let me slide this back down. Boom. So now, do we just press this button? Oh, we slide this button. All right, so now it's powered on. Didn't know that did that, but okay.